girlies, welcome back to my channel and you're here again. I appreciate that. Thank you for coming back again. And I know why you're here, either to get entertained or to learn about some curls, right? So today, as you can see my pineapple hair clip, or you can see pineapple on my side, you can guess it, right? What is the topic of today's video? So yes, today I will be showing you how to do pineapple. Not to cut pineapple, not to eat pineapple, but how to do pineapple hairstyle. So today's video will be very quick, and without further ado, let's directly start the video. If you're a curly girl, you might have heard about pineapple hairstyle sometime. It's one of my favorite hairstyle that I do, and in summers I prefer doing pineapple because you don't need to put your hair down and you don't feel so hot. So it is the best way to get rid of your hair in summers. It is one of the most easiest hairstyle and my go-to hairstyle as well. Whenever I'm at home, I usually do pineapple. It protects my curls and it also helps my hair to minimize the frizz as well. So today I will show you ways of doing pineapple. One, to style your hair in daytime, and another at night, how you will protect your hair. So it's very easy, you don't need to stress about it. So to do this hairstyle, either you would need scrunchie, this kind of spring rubber band, or puff cuff. So I have all these three. For your pineapple hairstyle, what you need to do is you need to take all your hair and flip it in front. Normally you do your ponytail, it's at the back of your head. Now you will do at the top of your head, like here. So first I'll show you how I do my pineapple. You need to flip your hair all in front, like this. So as you can see, this and this are almost looking same. That's why it's called pineapple. I have taken all my hair at very top of my head. So I usually do this at night time, and at this time you can take this spring rubber band or scrunchie, whatever you feel like. I'll do with this spring one, and you put your hair and take out. That's it. So this is my pineapple at night. So this is how I sleep at night, and this helps me to preserve my curls. So as you can see, I don't have any curls on this side. So this side gets touched with my pillow, whereas all of these curls go upside. So this is how I protect my curls. On top of that, you will see I usually wear turban or scarf to protect my curls. So this is the one way. Now other way. Other way is same. You will take your hair in front, but you will not take here now, you will take at the middle. So here. Now you need something that can grab your hair at place. So either take a scrunchie or take a puff cuff. I'll take scrunchie. And for this you need to make 2 rounds like this. So this is my go-to hairstyle when I don't want my hair on my shoulder or on my neck in summertime, or I am in beach. I usually do this. On top of that, I use scarf or any accessory to accessorize. What you can do is just take some hairpins and you can just tuck in, so it looks so pretty. Yeah. this is pineapple, and you can accessorize this pineapple and you are pretty much done, and you can go outside. You can do shopping, you can do anything. I would say one of the best hairstyle that any curly girl can do, because other girls obviously can't do this, and you are the only one who can do this and flaunt your curls. So next I'll show you half pineapple as well. So similarly you'll do the same, but this time taking one time, and the second time you will take just half of your hair. So like this, half you will leave here, and here is your bun, and here are your fringes, you can say, or your curls. So this is one of the way. If you don't have anything and you don't want to accessorize and you quickly just want your pineapple, if you have long hair and you don't know how to pineapple, or you don't know how to accessorize or how to deal with your curls, you simply go with this bun pineapple and you're good to go, because you will make a bun, your rest of the hair will stay here and the ends will come here. So this is one of the way that I sleep at night as well, and sometimes when I'm going outside and I don't want all of my hair to come in front of my eyes, I just do this. I make a bun, and I have little fringes here, curl fringes. So yes. Also, if you just want to make a pineapple and you don't want to tuck in, you can use this puff cuff like this. Make pineapple and then go. Yeah. So yes, these were the easy steps to do pineapple. I just wanted to show you how to do pineapple and rock your natural curls. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video, and if you want to ask something or you want to give any suggestion, you are more than welcome in my comment section. Please comment down below, and if you like this video, please give a very big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye. Back to my channel.